Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 57 on ACT 59F. Oh, right there, pause it. Pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did, looking over stuff. Anyway, let's get in there. It reads, when graphed in the standard XY coordinate plane, that is my favorite coordinate plane, the lines x equals -3 and y equals x minus 3 intersect at what point? All right, big mistake a lot of students make is right off the bat, they just draw their x and y axes and start to graph these two lines. That's very difficult. I wouldn't recommend it. Instead, let's take a moment to reflect on what's the information that we've been given. We have two lines and we want to know where they intersect. One of the lines is x equals -3, the other y equals x minus 3. Well, let's take this first line. What do I know about that line? X equals -3. It's sort of a funny line, right? It's not in y equals mx plus b form, at least it's not as far as I can tell. Every point on that line, what would we know about it? Well, what would its x value be? -3, right? So wherever this point is that these two lines intersect, the x value of that point must be -3. So on the one hand, we could cross off a and b because those x values are 0, and then we can turn to our second line. Y equals x minus 3. Well, rather than just x, we know that the x value is -3. So y equals -3 minus 3 will give us the point of intersection. -3 minus 3 is -6, so y equals -6. The x value of the point of intersection must be -3, and it turns out that the y value would be -6. So the answer is E. Sick. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.